Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without pressing subscribe button and the notification. So, you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So new data updated you today is that Kaizer Chiefs are want to sign Yanela Mbotsoma. The Richards Bay star scored against Amakhosi this past weekend, helping the Natal Richie Boys claim victory over the Soweto Kings. Kaizer Chiefs could table any offer even before the transfer window opens in pre-season. A source told the journalist that Amakhosi were on the looking out for a quality striker. Chiefs are also interested in that Richards Bay striker that Pirates have inquired about before, Yanela Mbotsoma. For now, it's just that interest from the team. I'm not sure if there is anything official yet from Chiefs to talk to Richards Bay. But what can I tell you is that Chiefs are interested in him, the source added. So, if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without pressing subscribe button and the notification, so you notify next time I drop the video. And please, rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.